She wants another race, winner race.
Are you sure about that? Do you want Sashi to lose again?
This time, I guarantee you that Sassy will win.
So what race do you have in mind?
I want a ring race.
And what is the ring race?
The first bird who can drop 3 rings into the hole the fastest is the winner. And that is our ring race.
So the ring race, it shall be. Remember guys, that boys already have 1 point. So girls, let's cheer louder for Sassy to win this time. We'll be doing this again. And this time, a ring race. Ready, set, go! Here's Sassy on her Easter's ring. Oh, okay, what's happening? Sassy pick up the 3 rings at the same time. Oh, where is that? And the winner is Sassy. What can you say when winner wins? 3 rings at the same time.
Hey, you guys cheated!
Oh, he thinks you cheated.
No, we didn't cheat. Sassy used her brain.
Oh, so it's true that girls are more intelligent than boys? A round of applause for Rocky and Sassy, trainer Vince and trainer Mike. Parrots are particularly known to be intelligent and perceptive. That's why we continue to enhance your skills to not get bored. So here's Sassy once again, and she will show us how intelligent she is by putting the shape back to its correct spot. Just like Sassy, Greek Makosa from South America, they are known to be giants of the Baratan. It is because they are the second largest next to the highest in Campos. They can grow up to 92 centimeters high and can be up to 8 years old. Scientific name is Aragornia. They usually feed on seeds, nuts, salts, and minerals along the river banks. And for that shape, go that girl. You can do it. And there you go. You got your right round of first Sassy. Clear, right? Now, guys, who loves snack? Everyone here knows the issue, right? Well, this next part program will leave most people baffled and amazed, even as bringers. Do you think birds can do math? But before we go to our mathematical wizard, I'll be needing 2 numbers between 1 to 50. So any number between 1 to 50? Any number, guys? Okay, so first one will be number 20. How about the second number? Okay, so the second number will be number 17. So the equation is 20 plus 17. Let's see our mathematical wizard then solve this equation. But first, trainer Mark will shuffle the number. Now let's call her hybrid ako, Rocky. Wow, look at that. Okay, trainer Mark is not ready. Go Rocky, solve the equation for us. 20 plus 17. And Rocky gets the first number correct. How about the second number? Okay, after the second number, Rocky. Well, Rocky loves numbers. Okay, I think it's calculating. Go Rocky, do the math. And I think he knows the answer. Rocky gets the number. He gets the number 7. So, 20 plus 17 is equals to 37. We can super hybrid ng mga Rocky. We trainer more. So this time, I need an adult volunteer with 500 best wheel. Once again, I need an adult volunteer with 500 best wheel. Just raise your hands, and my good trainer will choose one. Everyone, guys, don't be shy. Just raise your hands with 500 best wheel. An adult. Go, guys. Okay, I think we got one. Okay, sir, please join me on stage. You will notice the birds in our show are mostly parrots. It is because they are highly intelligent, charismatic, colorful, and musically kind. They have good memory and they can remember even the smallest details. part of the show, sir. Sir, but saying something with her body keeps your mind back. He wants to give you a kiss, okay? Okay, sir, stop right here. Over here. Look at the camera and offer your tea. Nice! Another one! How about your hands? Just open your palm. And there is your body. The round of your body here, buddy. Ladies and gentlemen, now that you have seen our colorful and intelligent parrots, we would like to show you another species of bird here in Manila Ocean Park. Birds of prey, also known as raptors, hunt and feed by other animals. That term raptor came from the Latin word raptere, meaning to seize or to take by force. These birds are characterized by reputation that allows them to detect prey during flight. They also have powerful talons and beaks. Ladies and gentlemen, please look to your left. Presenting our Philippine eagle owl. Here comes Hope. These birds can be found in India, Indonesia, Bangladesh, Pakistan, along China, including here in the Philippines. They are locally known as Nauru or Banong in Visayas region. And here comes Shadow. And everyone, meet our chickens. Wow, look at that. And as you can see, we have our homing pigeons. Homing pigeons is an innate bird that lives. They will gather direct to us. Now that us our raptors are chickens and our homing pigeons. Here in Manila Ocean Park, we breed their schools. We only have transporters our friends in the sea, but also for those who are planting there as well. Now guys, who knows the 3 R's? It's reduce, reduce, and recycle. So once again, here's some of the words to show us the reduce, recycle. See, if our lovebirds can do it, so can we. Ladies and gentlemen, we hope you all enjoy the show. Our work spectacular? Well, in our own way, no matter how small the effort, let's take action and saving them from exploitation or human exploitation. Please let's all do our part in saving the world, because remember, this is the only home we've got. Now, let me present the birds and the trainers that made the show possible. Trainer Mark with Rocky. Trainer G with Buddy. Trainer Mikey with Speed. Trainer Johnny with Shadow. Trainer Sean with Hope.